Attorney Monsod, I want to ask you this. I don't know if you were able to watch yung press conference ni Senate President Escudero kanina, no? But sinasabi niya, let me read his quote here. Hindi kami magkapantay pagdating sa bagay na ito. Hindi ito House at Senate kung saan co-equal ang mga ahensyang yan. Sa parte ng impeachment, Korte ang Senado, prosecutor ang Kamara. Ano po masasabi niyo sa komentong ito ni Senate President Jesus Escudero?
So what's his point? I don't get his point. Sabihin niyo, hindi equal kasi sila ang judge at ang House is prosecutor lang. Yung ba?
Parang sinasabi niya na hindi kaya, kailangan sundin ng House of Representatives yung kanilang pagbabalik ng articles of impeachment.
Alam nyo, in that street language, siga-siga sila. Akala nila nasa kanilang kapangyarihan. Well, no, wala sa kanilang kapangyarihan. Ang kapangyarihan nila is provided in the Constitution. Hanggang dyan sila. It doesn't mean that just because they are so-called senators, that they have a lot of powers beyond that. They're fooling themselves. And they're doing this for what reason? They're acting like they are the lawyers for the Vice President. Right? Maybe they're thinking of their future. Naku, pag naging Vice President, siga ako. Tingnan natin.
What do you think is the reason? What do you think is the reason?
Ano?
What do you think is the reason kung bakit may mga ganitong movements sa House? Because matagal na ito, no? Ilang beses nang na-move itong supposed na pagbabasa ng articles of impeachment dito nga sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Duterte. And the first, kakapanumpa pa lamang ng ating senator judges, biglang ibinalik din agad dun sa House. So, ano sa tingin niyo yung meaning? Ano yung mensahe na gusto nilang iparating?
Well, I think that all I say, and let me say it again. They have violated the Constitution. They have gone beyond the powers given to them by the Constitution.
Then para saan pa po yung Constitution? Kung yun nga, as you mentioned, no, bina-violate tapos sasabihin lang naman, then contest nyo yung action namin sa Supreme Court. Pwede bang ganun na lang ng ganun? Na laging ang sagot na lang natin ay then question our decision, our actions before the Supreme Court?
Well, alam niyo, in our system, there's always a solution. That is why the system of checks and balances. That's why we have all of these institutions and so on. So the law, the arm of the law, will reach them. Will reach them. And they're performing this in front of the people. We leave it to the people. Tama ba yung ginawa nila? Let the people, yun ang tanong sa mga tao, let them think about it. Na ito yung mga binoto ninyo. Ganyan pala pag lumaki yung ulo nila, akala nila magagawa nila lahat ng gusto nila. Hindi po. Hindi po. Right? They are public servants. They're not public kings.